This dedicated vermicelli attachment pairs seamlessly with the Atlas 150 pasta machine, turning out consistently thin, even strands that look and cook like classic Italian noodles. The build quality feels reassuringly solid, with chrome-plated steel and aluminum components that give the attachment a durable, long-lasting feel on the counter. Once you have your dough ready, the attachment makes shaping vermicelli quick and straightforward, so a batch of fresh pasta becomes realistic even on a busy weeknight. Cleaning is simple because there are no fussy crevices or electrical parts, and leftover dough brushes off easily after it has dried. The attachment is made in Italy by a company that has specialized in home pasta tools for decades, and that heritage shows in the smooth operation and precise cutting. For anyone who already enjoys using an Atlas machine, this add-on is an easy way to expand the range of homemade pasta shapes without needing another bulky appliance.